Have you ever wondered about the unseen world within us that influences our health and well-being? Imagine trillions of tiny microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, that live in and on our bodies, forming a complex ecosystem known as the microbiome. This diverse community of microorganisms is primarily found in our gut, but it also exists in other areas like our skin, mouth, and lungs. It's like a bustling city of microbial life, each member performing a unique role, from aiding digestion and producing vitamins to protecting us against harmful invaders. Our understanding of this microscopic world has been revolutionized by advances in sequencing technologies. These technologies have allowed us to delve deeper into the composition and function of microbial communities, revealing their profound impact on our health and disease states. So let's explore the fascinating world of the human microbiome. After all, our microbiome is truly a hidden universe within us, playing a crucial role in our health. Did you know your gut and brain communicate regularly? It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? This interaction is often referred to as the gut-brain axis. It's a bidirectional communication system between our digestive systems and our nervous systems. Recent scientific research has begun to uncover just how influential this connection is. It turns out that the gut microbiome, that is, the trillions of bacteria residing in our gut, can have a significant impact on our mood, behavior, and overall brain health. Astonishingly, studies have shown a correlation between the gut microbiome's composition and mental health disorders, such as depression, anxiety, and even autism spectrum disorder. The gut bacteria produce various neurochemicals that the brain uses for regulating physiological and mental processes, including mood. For instance, a whopping 90% of all serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, is produced in the gut. Indeed, the state of our gut can significantly impact our mental health. What if we told you that your gut could be your immune system's best friend? It's a bold statement, but one that is backed by growing scientific evidence. The gut microbiome, that bustling city of microbes residing in our intestines, is not just a passive resident. It's an active participant in our body's immune response. It's like a biological command center, influencing everything from immune tolerance to our body's response to infections and vaccines. The gut microbiome helps train our immune system to distinguish between friend and foe, reducing the risk of autoimmune diseases, where the body mistakenly attacks its own cells. Recent findings also suggest a role for the microbiome in allergies. It's thought that a diverse microbiome can help protect against allergic reactions by regulating the immune response to potential allergens. So when you think about your immune system, remember that it's not working alone. Our gut microbiome is a key player in our body's defense system. Ever wondered if probiotics and prebiotics actually work? Well, they do, but it's not as simple as popping a pill or eating yogurt. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria, and prebiotics, the food for these bacteria, do play a significant role in our gut health. But the science of it is a bit more nuanced. Firstly, not all probiotics are created equal. Different strains have different effects on our body, and the number of live bacteria in a probiotic supplement, known as the colony-forming units, is a crucial factor in its effectiveness. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are dietary fibers that feed the friendly bacteria in our gut, promoting their growth and activity. However, ensuring the efficacy and safety of these supplements can be challenging. Factors such as manufacturing processes, storage conditions, and individual gut profile can influence their effectiveness. So, it's not just about taking them, but taking the right ones in the right way. Choosing the right probiotics and prebiotics can be a game changer for your gut health. Can what you eat alter your microbiome? Absolutely, and the effects can be profound. Different diets have different impacts on our microbiomes. For instance, the Mediterranean diet, known for its abundance of fruits, vegetables, and olive oil, is associated with a diverse and healthy microbiome. On the other hand, diets high in processed foods and low in fiber can lead to a less diverse microbiome, which may negatively impact our health. Surprisingly, even short-term changes in diet can cause significant shifts in our microbiome. Just imagine, within a few days of switching to a high-fiber or plant-based diet, the composition of your microbiome can change substantially. These changes can influence everything from digestion to immune function, and even mood. Conversely, returning to a less healthy diet can reverse these benefits, underscoring the importance of long-term dietary habits. So remember, the next time you're deciding what's for dinner, you're not just feeding yourself, you're also feeding your microbiome. Your diet can quickly reshape your microbiome, influencing your health. Could your microbiome be linked to chronic diseases? Let's unearth this intriguing connection. Chronic diseases like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases are a growing global health concern. And believe it or not, your microbiome may play a significant role in these conditions. Research suggests that certain bacteria in our gut can influence metabolism and contribute to weight gain and obesity. For instance, imbalances in the microbiome can affect how our bodies extract and store energy from food. In the case of type 2 diabetes, changes in the gut microbiome can lead to increased inflammation and insulin resistance, two key factors in the development of this disease. Cardiovascular diseases, on the other hand, have been linked to gut bacteria that can convert dietary nutrients into harmful substances, which can increase the risk of heart disease. In essence, the microbiome influences disease risk and progression through a complex interplay of factors. Our microbiome holds clues to understanding and potentially combating chronic diseases. Imagine a diet plan tailored to your microbiome. Sounds futuristic, doesn't it? But this is the promising field of personalized nutrition. The idea is simple. Since our microbiomes are unique like fingerprints, our diets should be too. Researchers are now exploring how we can optimize our health by harnessing the power of our microbiomes. They're developing technologies that analyze our gut bacteria and offer dietary recommendations best suited for our bodies. For instance, some people might benefit from a high-fiber diet, while others might need more FMT might also be beneficial for other gut disorders, such as inflammatory bowel disease and irritable bowel syndrome. However, the expansion of FMT applications isn't without challenges. Regulators grapple with the classification of FMT. Is it a drug, a procedure, or something else entirely? And then there are ethical considerations like informed consent and the potential for exploitation of donors. Despite the ick factor, FMT holds immense potential in treating gut disorders. And as our understanding of the microbiome deepens, so does the promise of this unconventional treatment. The future of microbiome research holds exciting possibilities. As we delve deeper into this microscopic world, we're discovering lesser-known microbiomes, such as those found on our skin, in our mouths, and within our lungs. Each one has a unique composition and function, and their exploration could unlock new pathways to health and wellness. Simultaneously, the development of microbiome-based therapeutics is gaining momentum. These treatments leverage the power of beneficial microbes to combat disease, showing promise in areas like inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, and even mental health conditions. But as with any scientific advancement, ethical considerations must be taken into account. Issues such as privacy, informed consent, and access to these potentially life-altering therapies are all part of the ongoing conversation. In essence, our understanding of the microbiome is like an iceberg. We've only seen the tip, and there's a vast, unexplored territory underneath. The exploration of our microbiome is just beginning, and its potential to revolutionize healthcare is immense.